Hey, welcome to the Learning Fun Show. Today in the show, we have our daily math practice. But before we do that, I want to see if I can juggle 3 markers at the same time. Are you ready? All right, let's see if we can do that. All right. Hey, I need a little more practice, and that's what we're doing today. We're also practicing with our math. But before I begin, also, I want to mention you can leave a comment down below. If you have a certain math problem you would like me to go over in my show, I would love to include it. So just write a comment down below, and I will make sure that it is also kid safe. So I'll make sure that I approve all the comments before you see them. Also, teachers, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them down below. And also, please subscribe. That would help me out. All right, let's begin. First of all, we have 4 addition problems right here. We have 5 plus 3, 3 plus 5, 8 minus 3, and 8 minus 5. A little hint for you, the fact family. And our next problem right here is complete the pattern. Mathematics is all about patterns, and here we have to use our detective skills to figure out what goes in the missing blanks. We have 16, 20, 24, 28. What number goes in between there? Our third one is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. We have 5 2's that we have to add up. All right, I know you can do it. And our last problem is, what time is it? That's right, you have to figure out what time is on the clock. So right now, go ahead and get your math journal out, work on these problems, and right now hit pause, and when you're ready to go over the answers, hit play. All right, let's begin. Let's take a look here. We have 5 plus 3, 3 plus 5, 8 minus 3, and 8 minus 5. Those numbers are in the fact family. What I mean by fact family is they share three numbers. We have the 3, the 5, and the 8. Oh, when I made a little mistake in mathematics. Of course, you're going to make mistakes, and that is why it is always important to always recheck your work. So let's go on here. All right, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, I always like to imagine that 3 with dots. So I go 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I got 8. 3 plus 5, 8 again. 8 minus 3. Do you see that we're using just these numbers right here, right? So 8 minus 3 would be 5. And 8 minus 5, you're right, 3. We used all of these numbers right here. All right, let's take a look at this right here. So I take a look at these numbers, and all of these numbers are even. All right, 16 is even, 20 is even, 24 is even, 28 is even. That might be a clue. So it's not 17. Let's see if they're counting by 2's. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so I think the number 18 would go here. Let's see if that completes the pattern by going by 2's. 20 plus 2 would be 22. 22 plus 2 would be 24. 24 plus 2 would be 26. 26 plus 2 is 28. 28 plus 2 is 28. 29, 30. All right, 30. So you always want to check your pattern because it could be increasing by 1 or decreasing or some little change. All right, now we have all of these 2's that we have to add up. So let's count by 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right, so our answer would be 10. All right, we can also say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can use your fingers, 5, and count by 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now we have, what time is it? On this clock right here, we have the big hand, this is called the minute hand, is pointing to the 9. And we have the little hand, and that is in the land of the 4. This is in the 4. And what I like to say is if the big hand is pointing to the top, it's something o'clock. If it's pointing to the 3, it's something 15. If it's pointing down, it's something 30. And if it's pointing to the 9, it's something 45. So right now, the big hand is pointing to the 9, so it's something 45. And then we look at the hour hand right here, and that is in the land of the 4, so it's 4:45. So if you got 4:45 there, you are becoming a time expert. So I'm going to write 4:45 right here. And it's okay if you did not get one of these problems right, because we learn from our mistakes, and sometimes it's almost better to make a little mistake because we learn more from it. Hey, I hope you are having a great day. Make mathematics fun, and you have a fun day out there. Adios!